What is crypto? Hey everyone! Welcome to the first episode of my crypto education series, where I'll be breaking down everything you need to know about cryptocurrency, especially if you're just getting started. I'm Emmanuel, and today, we're going to answer one big question: what is cryptocurrency? Let's start by talking about money. You're probably used to seeing paper money, like the CFA franc here in Cameroon, or dollars and euros. All of these are issued by governments and controlled by banks. This is what we call fiat currency. But what if I told you there's a new form of money that isn't controlled by any government or bank? That's where cryptocurrency comes in. Cryptocurrency is digital money that works very differently from what we're used to. It's decentralized, meaning no single person, government, or institution controls it. Instead, it runs on something called blockchain technology, but we'll get to that later. So, what makes cryptocurrency so special? There are a few key things that set it apart. Decentralization. As I mentioned, cryptocurrencies aren't controlled by a central bank or government. Instead, they run on networks of computers all around the world. Global access. You don't need a bank account to use cryptocurrency. All you need is a smartphone and internet access, making it super accessible for people across the world, including here in Cameroon. The first and most famous cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, created back in 2009. Bitcoin was designed as a way to send money directly from one person to another without needing a bank to process the transaction. Since then, thousands of other cryptocurrencies have been created, each with their own special features. But don't worry, you don't need to know about all of them right now. Bitcoin is a great place to start because it's the most well-known and widely used. So, how do you actually use cryptocurrency? It's pretty simple. You need something called a crypto wallet, which is an app that lets you send, receive, and store your cryptocurrencies. You can use wallets like Yellow Card to buy Bitcoin, USDT, and other popular cryptocurrencies right from your phone. Once you have some crypto, you can use it to buy things online, send money to friends or family, even if they're in another country, or hold on to it as an investment, because some people believe the value of certain cryptocurrencies will go up over time. And that's the basic idea behind cryptocurrency. It's a new kind of money that's decentralized, secure, and available to anyone with internet access. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into how Bitcoin works and why it's such a big deal in the world of crypto. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this with your friends, especially those curious about crypto. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll answer them in the next video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.